Alrighty, on today's adventure, we're just going to be out here trolling most of the day. I didn't bring nothing with me but some, hard plastics, and I don't know if I even brought my soft plastic. I think I forgot them at home. I did. Gosh dang it. Oh, I guess I'm going to be trolling mostly just some crankbaits. Maybe throw some soft plastics if I have any with me. The river is up. It's up about a foot, maybe a foot and a half. It's definitely a not skipping leg day today. It's going to be a lot of pedaling. It's going to be currents moving a little bit stronger than normal. I'm going to start off with a Bomber 6A and see what happens. I thought I had a bite, was probably just a weed. But yeah, we're going to see what happens today. It's a little cold. It's like 38. It's the reason why I'm going to be trolling, keep my legs pumping, keep the blood flowing, keep me warm. The only thing I'm really worried about is my fingers. I guess if I get too cold, I'll just go back to the boat ramp and call it a day, or even put on my ice bibs, which are in my truck. And then the main thing I'm worried about is I forgot my gloves at home, is my fingers getting cold. That, and we have a rainstorm coming in about 3 hours or so. So I wanted to get out here before the storm and see if it doesn't get anything stirred up and gets them to bite a little bit. Well, all right, stay tuned and we'll see what happens today. That's a fish. Little smallie. First fish of the day. All right, first little guy of the day. Not very big, really pretty. Get a little better picture of his mouth for you. Let this guy go. Bye, friend. Oh, that's a fish. Not very big. Whatever it is, pretty small. Maybe. A very simple bite. Feels like a smaller, maybe. Yeah, another smallie. Come over here by the bank, put some slacked water, and I'll get this guy in the kayak. There's fish jumping over there. Might need to go there and throw some baits. Alright, second smallie of the day. I kind of had a feeling I was going to catch a bunch of smallies today. Not a bunch, but at least some. Trying to get, trolling for some walleye. They always tend, doesn't matter, it seems like whatever I do, I can't get past the smallies to find the walleyes. Kind of like normal. I seem to catch a lot of smallies out of this river. Alright, we're going to go down, and I think troll this section again real quick. You've seen me troll here before and catch quite a few actually. I'm going to troll this section one more time on my way up to 3 of my walleye spots. And we'll see if we can't, like I said, get on some walleye. That's why I really, really want to get onto some of them guys. Kind of wish I would have brought my soft plastic with me. I could have jigged them across the bottom. But me being me, being dumb, forgot all my soft plastics. That's a fish. Holy crap, that's a fish. Oh my goodness, that's a nice fish. Back pedal out. Oh, what are you? A walleye. Freaking sweet. Barely hooked too. Gotcha. Awesome. It's a nice walleye. Dandy of a walleye. It's definitely a good eater. This is what I came out here for. That's a good like 17-incher. Look at that thing. That is a beautiful fish. Alright, we'll throw him in the back. If he gets out, he gets out. Which is very possible he might. Alrighty. That's awesome. Here I was just complaining about not probably being able to troll that first spot because the water's up and the current seems to like crazy right now in there. But boy, did it work out. Panned out good. Oh, that's a fish. That's definitely a fish. Decent smallie. I gotta keep remembering this rod is a medium light, so they do feel a lot bigger than what they really are. You're a nice little smallie. Not bad. Let him go. Goodbye, friend. Alright. Fish. Doesn't feel very heavy. Very big. Another smallie. Another guy for you, or girl, or whatever wants to classify it itself. Because that's the new day and age. Well, it looks like I floated back down, so I might as well come down here, turn around, and try going upriver again. Not going to complain. The bite stays the way it is. I don't know. I might be out here a little bit longer than I thought. I'll fight the cold a little longer if I have to. I should throw my bigger bait out and see what happens. You know what? I might try that this go around. Let me put this guy up. I'm gonna get my bigger bait out. So all I'm doing is jerk bait, controlling like a regular crankbait, but hence his name, jerk bait. I just keep jerking along every now and then. Get a little more action in the water. dives it down deeper every time you pull on it. It's not like I'm doing big tugs. It's doing little tugs. I'm used to little tugs anyways. Ooh, that's a fish. That's a decent fish. Well, maybe not decent, but okay. Maybe it is decent. Decent smallie. Barely had him hooked. Ooh, I hooked myself. Fix that a little bit. Get the pedals out of the way. He's alright. He's probably about 10, 11, 12 if he's lucky. Bye, friend. Alright. Let's troll back down again. Might switch back over to a little crankbait just to see what happens. Are you kidding me? Another one? There we go, a little bigger. No, little guy. So that's going to conclude today's episode. It's going to be kind of probably a long one. I'm not sure if I'm going to put every fish in there or not because I caught a mess of fish today. It was a great day out in the water. Caught some dandies, snagged a couple carp. Probably caught my biggest drum on a crankbait. It's not my biggest drum. I've caught my biggest drum in crayfish, about 14, 15 pounds. This one's probably, I don't know, maybe 5-ish, but we'll see. Well, I'll wait when I get back to the truck or get home. And I caught one good walleye and then a mess of smallies. Absolute mess today for trolling. Really a great day for trolling. Kind of glad that's all I did today. My legs can feel it, but it's all right. I need the exercise, so it's kind of good for me. But all right, other than that, thank you for watching. Have a great day.